Good afternoon everybody, it's Kelly Driver here and I'm here for another video with you today. I'm going to do something different today that I've never done before, and so I'm just doing it on a small canvas just to have a go and make sure that I can see how it goes on a little mini canvas. So I'm going to do, I think it's called a travelling pour. And then I'm going to swipe it at the end with a palette knife and see what it's like. So I'm going to use Floetrol in the base colour, and then I've got some colours to put on the top that don't have Floetrol mixed into them. And I'm hoping to get some amazing cell action if all goes to plan. I was watching my hero Rinska Downer do a challenge just this week, and her painting turned out absolutely amazing and it's inspired me to have a go. So let's get into it and I'll show you what's going to be happening. Okay, so my plan is, I've got my black paint here, so I'll set that, there's the black paint, I'll set that aside for a moment, and I'm going to set my little canvas aside too, and we'll just start off with this, with the cup here, and I'm going to pour the paint down the side of the cup in layers. Probably would have liked to have had a slightly smaller cup actually, but anyway, never mind. That's not what we have today. So this one is a pearl purple, that one. So that'll be fun to see how that turns out. Yellow, so that was phthalo blue, yellowish green, yellow, reflex pink, might see if that's enough paint. We'll see how I go with that, and we can put more in the cup. I can put them in a clean cup if I need to do any extra. So I'll set the paints aside over there, and now we'll put our canvas back in position. Okay, and I'm going to spread the paint out with my palette knife. Okay, so I will pour this paint on now. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Isn't it amazing when you put yourself out of your comfort zone, how scary it is? I've decided I'm going to do one more layer of the paint here, just to be sure. Whoa. Well, that's bizarre. So I'll just put this on here too. So that it can flow. So the first thing I'm going to do is tilt it. Actually, no, I might torch it. I'm going to give it a torch. Make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Torch the black. Oh, there's little popping, pop, 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 all over. Looks like a snake. Just torch it and see what, if anything changes on here. Not really, the torch isn't really doing anything. I certainly am not getting the cell action that I was hoping for, not at all. It's still very beautiful, but no cell action from the Floetrol. All right, well, I'm going to leave it like that. That is, it is not what I thought it was going to be at all. However, I really, really like what I have produced here. So we'll leave it at that, and I'm very pleased with the end result, and I think is very striking. So, oops, oh. So I'll bring you down to give you a close-up of all the fun little bits in it, and you can see what you think. All right, thanks guys. Okay, well here's what it looks like from down here. So I'll take you into the different little bits here now. So there's lots of reflection because it's black, unfortunately, with the black background. So excuse the light there. Oh, that's not going to focus. Yeah, sorry. It's so cool. This is so not what I thought it was going to be like, but I'm so excited about it. There's actually more cells coming up as it rests, which is pretty amazing. So, and up here it's like yellow and green, yellowy green colour, that hot pink, woo! And I love the way the pink and the yellow's made orange, and of course the yellow and the blue have made the green, plus there's the other green, and it's going to be so cool to see how the pearl dries, the pearl violet, because I bet that comes out absolutely amazing in there as well. So I reckon this is really cool. I'm very happy, and I hope you like it too. My little baby painting on the black base. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow me. It means a lot as I'm trying to grow my small business. Thanks for watching. I'm Kelly Driver, and I'll see you next time. Bye.